everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I have got a haul for you all, and I'm going to sit right here and show you. First, I want to show you what I found. I found an old window. It's so cute. I think I'm going to get the rest of the paint off of here. And I am going to make something out of that at some point here. And it'll be fun. So, thrift haul. I got a new shelf. Isn't that pretty? I'm actually going to use it over in my nursery over in where I paint. I want to put paints up there. I want to get them off my table. So I'm hoping this will fit over there and work for me. And then I have an old shower caddy. And if this is up against the wall, nothing right here will fall out. So I'm thinking I may end up utilizing that also. And I found another scrapbook at my thrift store. It was $4, which isn't too bad, I guess. But I only need to find, I think five of these. So I'm down one. So I think I need to find like 4 more. I need to find 4 more of these. And I'm all set until she's 18. So that's a good find. So I'll stash that over there. This I found, it's so pretty. It's like a vase. I got it for like $1. But there's a thing on Pinterest that I want to do Christmas. It's I'll have to show you, but they put candy canes all around it and make a floral arrangement. It's so pretty, and I just happened to find the square thing, so I'm excited about that. And then I got a couple more patriotic flowers. There's red ones here somewhere. Yep, red, white, and blue. I got those, and I grabbed, I think, 4 more of these from Dollar Tree to fill up my thing that I'm going to put on the porch. And I think I'm going to stick, I don't know, I might stick these in the pot. I don't know. We'll see. So I did grab that. I grabbed some black doggy bags, poop bags, from my little trash cans in my car. I grabbed, there's 4, so I'll put 2 in my Hummer and 2 in the other car. So that will go upstairs. This will go upstairs. I grabbed just 2 of these. I'm trying to find the candle, I don't know what they're called. It's a decoration you put on your candle thing. What's it called? Candle holder, you know, the pedestal. And to decorate it, you can get, I have a Christmas one. It has holly and everything around it. But I don't have one like for the rest of the year. So I grabbed a couple of these garlands to make a couple of my own. I don't know what they're called. Rings, candle rings. So I grabbed a couple of these when I'm not doing anything else. Sit down here and try to figure out how to make those. And make those. And then I got from Dollar Tree, I got this. It's for your backsplash. It's supposed to be really sticky. But I'm going to try my hand at this here in another week or so to put it behind my stove and by my sink, because there's not a lot of room in there, and I want to see how it looks. I grabbed 4. I'm hoping that's enough. I think it will be, as long as I don't cut it and mess it up. But I grabbed 4 of these. They actually had them. I probably should have grabbed 2 more. if they still have some there in the next week or so, I will go over and get a couple more of these, because it looks like that what I want to do behind there. So this is going to go upstairs. Now these, Dollar Tree did not have these. They did carry them this year, but they didn't have any when I went over. So my Family Dollar is carrying Dollar Tree stuff. So I grabbed 4 of these little things, and there's, I didn't write it down. I will link it down below though. She made a garden bench using these. Came out beautiful. I'm not going to paint mine white. Hers is white. I'm not going to paint it white. But, so you need 3 of these. I grabbed an extra case I boo-booed. 2 of these. These are the mop dusters. You need 2 of these. 2 of those. And you need a scarf. A pretty scarf. I grabbed this one. It's really pretty for spring, summer. And you're going to need dowels, a couple of dowels, and a board for the seat, for the actual seat. Now I don't have a piece of wood that's that skinny to put between these, so I think I'm just going to glue together a few of my hard cardboard, or use an old box that's kind of stiff, so that way I can make a few of these. I want to make a spring, summer, I want to do a fall, and then I want to do a Christmas one. So 3, right? Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Yeah, 3. So you can change out the seats. Now in her video, she glues it all together. I'm going to see if I can do it without having to glue the seat on, or glue the seat on and just, when I make the cover for it, make it so this can come off and just replace it. So, and I will put that down in the description of that video, and to show you to do that. Definitely, if you can still find these. I couldn't find them at my Dollar Tree, they were already gone. So instead of making 3 different ones, I'm just going to make 1 and change the seat out. But this is really cute. Look cute by the fireplace or by my front window. If I put it out on the porch, like today is windy, it would blow away. I would have to tie it down somehow. But it's really cute, and I wanted to do that. And the last thing I have is October, for my October daily. And like I said, I wanted to do a witch's house. So I needed purple. I needed purples. I still haven't found all the purples I want, but I did find these online, and I bought them individually. But I got 2 pieces each, so I could use the back side if I wanted to, or the front side. These are little spiders, and the back side is like marble thing. So I got those, and that'll go in my October box that I got sitting over here. And then the purple I found, I'm finding that it's hard to find just purple scrapbook paper. Gothic, I have to do another search for Gothic purple paper. This one has like, looks like beady eyes. And then the other side is candelabras. So there is those. So I got those. And this one is got writing. It says haunted. Haunted. I just think it says haunted all the way through it. And it has a big spider web on the back. So I got those. So I'm hoping to find one more pack of purple. I'm hoping to find a whole packet, you know, not just individual pieces. I'm hoping to find a whole booklet, and so I can do that because I want the outside of the book to be like the house, and then on the inside make it divvy it up into like do 4 rooms, so have like divvy up the month 4 weeks, you know, 4 weeks. So the first week would be like the kitchen area, and then the second week would be like the dungeon or whatever, and then the third week would be something else. That's how I'm gonna do mine. So that's what I'm hoping for. So I have to plan ahead so I have everything. So when I want to sit down and do it, I can. Ugh. So anyway, there is everything. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all again soon. Welcome new subscribers. I know I got some new ones. Don't forget to do the enter into that 200 subscriber giveaway. It's more of a spa kind of thing, home spa kind of thing. The next one I'm going to do for 300 subscriber giveaway is going to be more craft oriented. So we will have fun doing that. So thanks for watching, and we will see you all again soon. Bye now.